Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by defining the area and objective for finding a volcanic vent. Use satellite imagery and digital elevation models to spot cones and fractures. Map topographic highs, linear ridges, and depressions that suggest conduit locations. Overlay thermal infrared and gas anomaly data to highlight active targets. Prioritize sites with visible changes, fumaroles, or vegetation stress from gas exposure. Finally, plan access, emergency exit, and establish a 50 meters minimum safety distance for initial observations. Begin ground truthing with systematic walking transects spaced 25 to 50 meters apart. Record GPS tracks using a handheld unit with 5-meter accuracy or better. Measure soil temperature and gas concentrations at 10 centimeters depth using portable sensors. Scan surfaces with a handheld infrared camera to find thermal hotspots and vents. Note cracked ground, new scoria, or sulfur deposits as high-priority indicators. Photograph and geotag each anomaly for later laboratory and GIS. Confirm suspected vents by collecting gas samples into evacuated canisters for lab analysis. Measure fumarole temperature, plume height, and local wind speed at the time of observation. Capture timestamped photos and video for every vent or anomaly identified in the field. Use a drone thermal flight at 60 to 100 meters altitude to validate and map plume extent. Label and secure all samples and records with chain of custody and GPS coordinates for later reporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.